Hey guys, and today I'll be trying to unbox a godly with 8 boxes I have. Now let's see what I unbox. I'm gonna start with these. We got Sandy. Everyone keeps on getting Sandy. I really hate it. Starfish. Hate that one. Alright, last 2 boxes. A starfish again. Oh, my luck's terrible. Alright, last box. Let's get good luck. Popsicle. Well, that's 1 week of grinding down the drain. Let's go do... you know what? I'll do Gunbox 3. Okay. We got a P. Nice. Right. 8-bit. Isn't that a reference to Sonic the Hedgehog? I don't know. Yeah. Last ones. Last 2. I'll do... Oops. Yeah, Nightbox 4. How about that? Core blocks. Okay. I'll take that one. Last one. Alright. Last box. Let's see if we get anything. Fade. Okay. That's good. So no luck on the godly. I'll be doing another one of these videos soon, but yeah, I guess the beach one total it was unsuccessful. And I'll be trying to I got core blocks and some fade and 8-bit and P. So yeah, I guess that one looks successful. I'll see you in the next part.